How to clear cache in Tumblr. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, navigate to the place where the app is located. Now simply tap and hold on to it. Here on the top, you can see this eye icon. Simply tap on this eye icon. So basically we're in this app info. In other mobile devices, you can directly go to settings and open app info. Here on the right bottom, tap on clear data. You can find two different options, clear all data or clear cache. Here select on clear cache and hit on OK. Now it will take some time, so all the temporary files are completely gone from this app. Now you can simply restart the app and you won't find any lags too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.